Hi guys, today I'm gonna make a Christmas tree. So you'll need it doesn't matter what size, but I'm using a 15 centimeter by 15 centimeter, and it's white and green. Or you can just use all green. You can use a green piece of paper and cut it, and you'll need scissors. So first, if you have white, fold the white to the corner. What I like to do is match up the corners and then fold it. If you want to fold it harder, you can use your two nails to make it harder. And then you open it up, and then you turn it, and then you do the same thing on the other side. So just match up the corner. And mine's not really matched up. So you match up the corner. And then if you want, you can make it. And then, so you have a X or plus. So you flip it over, and it'll kind of come up, but you just have to push it down. Then you fold it in half. So what I do is I just match up both of the corners, which is like that, and then I go match up the corners, and then so I go this way. Actually, all of the paper. So I go that way, and then I go this way. And so you open it up. So now you do it the other way. And then you can do it if you want. Now this part is kind of hard, but so you just take both of the corners and then push them, so it looks like a plus. So I'll do it again. So it kind of makes it look like you just push it. It will kind of start to do that, but you just push it and then you flatten it out, which is diamond. I'll do that again. So you fold it in half, or if you want, you can just you can take this and then you can fold it like this, and then fold it down, and then that if you want. Or so you take these corners and then you just fold them down, and then it makes a diamond kind of shape. So the flaps, so you see the part with the flaps has to be up, so it's away from you. So these are the flaps, and it's away from me. So then you take this. See, it's not cut, it's folded. If you do it this way, see, it's cut, so it's not the right way. You have to fold it without the cut. And you should have two flaps here. I have 1, 2, and 1, 2. So now you can't have 3. So I have 1 flap, and I have 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. You can't have that. You should have 2. Next, so there should be a line. You just fold it up to the line. So you just fold it to the line, and then you do the same thing on the other side. So, and make sure that like the flaps are on the top. So it should look like a kite here. And on the top of the kite there should be like these flaps. So you can like do that. Now you flip it over. And then you just do it again. Or like, should I? Yeah, I'll do it. So you just, I'm just gonna roll this up first. And then like that. As you notice, I'm using my nail, which is easier. Because it's kind of hard to do with your finger. So I use my nail. So now, so you unfold them on both sides. So now we only have 2 flaps on each side, right? But we need like more than 2 flaps. So to make more, so you take one, remember, so it's like this. So you can do it one by one. So take one out and then, so watch carefully. So you know like the cup part, then like you open up the cup part and like you make a big hole. Okay, so you just like put your finger in there and then it will like kind of push it in. Okay, and now, okay, so the next, you do the same on the other side. So wait, I'll do it the other side. So you take, so you fold it out, and then so you put your finger inside to make like a hole, and then you just smush the hole. So now you should have 3 flaps on this side and 3 flaps on this side. So now you do the same. So you just open the inside. It's kind of hard, like, okay, just like that, and then make a hole, and then so it like starts to like make like a kite shape when you press, and then like you just like make it more of a kite, like that. So this top triangle is gonna be like, so we're gonna cut this off in a second. Now we have to do the same thing. This. We're almost done. Just put my finger and then you just smush it. Now you should have something like this. So it has 1, 2, 3, 4 flaps and 1, 2, 3, 4. Now what you do is, so you turn, so I'm going to show you close up. So you turn one flap this way. So now you have 5 flaps and 3 flaps. So see, so you turn one flap that way, and on the back, you turn one flap that way. Now you have 4 and 4 still, but the color changed. Now, you take your scissors and then like cut. It's easier to see because the color is different. So you just cut off the end. Now it looks more of a Christmas tree. Just put that away. Now, yeah, it looks like a Christmas tree. So now you have to bring out your scissors again. So now you have to cut like about here, don't like cut all the way, just cut a little bit. So watch. So you just cut like a little bit in, and then go like a centimeter down, about probably, and then cut like about the same height, and then go like a centimeter down, and then cut that. So you should have like about 3 cuts. You should have like at least 3 cuts. You can do more, so I'll do more. So I think this is, maybe I'll do like 1 there. I'll do 1 there. And yeah, I think that's enough. And then I do the same thing on the other side. Try to like copy, so like that. Try to do it like exactly where the other side is. And cut that. Okay, the last cut. So it kind of looks like a Christmas tree now. Okay, so now you just like, so you see there's 4 flaps, right? So you take 2 of them. So you have 2. And then you just like fold it. But don't fold it like this because it will stick out. Like fold it and then that will stand up. And then do the same thing on the other side. Just take 2 flaps. And then it's easy on the other side because you don't need to like count 2 flaps. There's already 2 more flaps. And you can line it up like to be like equal. And yeah, it looks like yeah, Christmas tree, but like with only that. Now you do the same thing. I'm gonna go faster. Just gonna go. So just do 2 flaps there. 1, 2, 3, 2. So now you have the second level. Now you need 2 more here, and then yeah. You do the same thing. I like to turn it around when it's on the left side because like I'm right-handed. And that's the just go like that. 2 flaps, 2 flaps, that 1 flap. That's 2 flaps. Again, just like that. And then you turn it over. And then you do it again. And then there's going to be like an option if you want. So now you're almost done. Like if you want to be done and you don't want to do anything else, so just like kind of like just like pull the flaps. So see there's 2 flaps, right? So you just like separate the 2 flaps to be done, and then like you just separate all of them, and it'll look like that. Or to make it look like more Christmas tree, you can turn it. So see, this page is all empty. There's nothing facing that way. So you can take 1 flap from here and then fold it the other way, and then like you'll have like that. So you can just do that. I'm just gonna go do it. The smaller ones are like harder because like it's harder to grip. So it'll look like that, more of a Christmas tree. So where was I? As you. And you don't have to do at the top because like, so like, yeah, you can make that or that. Just come along just like that. Yeah. So yeah, that's how you make a origami bridge.